Are you ready to tone your abs? No equipment is needed, so let's do it. This episode of Class FitSugar is presented by Kalia by Carrie Underwood. So we are ready to start our workout. My name is Allie and I got my girls Casey with me. Casey will be doing the modifications, so keep an eye on her if you need those. And I got my girl Jenny and she'll be doing the advanced intermediate version, and we are ready to get this party started. So go ahead, stand to the edge of your mat. We're gonna open our feet about hip width apart, slight bend in your knees, and walk your hands out to a plank position. All right, we're here, shoulders over our wrists, tap knee to elbow, same side. One to each side. Exhale, squeeze the side body, walk your hands back in, and then really reach those arms up. Give me a nice big breath, back down, beautiful, and we repeat. So once you come to this plank, I want that booty down, side body crunch, one each side, good. Walk it all the way back, and you can take it at your own tempo, whatever feels good. Couple more here, good. Definitely are gonna get those abs burning by the end of this.
Oh, yeah.
Sound good, ladies?
Oh yes, ready for it.
Perfect. Last one. Walk it all the way out. Tap, tap, walk it back, and reach. Perfect. Okay, I want you back down in that plank position. Walk it out. This time we drop it down to your forearms. And if you need that modification, knees on the ground, belly in tight. Now we're gonna jog our hips side to side. Ready? From one side, up and over to the other side. Perfect. Just like you're out, dancing with your friends, shaking your groove thing. Everyone always has fun with these hip dips. Good.
You feel them right away too.
Perfect. Keep working. Let's go 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, breathe, 4, last 3, 2, and 1, good. Shake it out, good work you guys. Go ahead, stand with your feet about hip width apart. We're gonna bring our arms behind our head and we're gonna slowly exhale knee to elbow for 3, 2, 1. Really focus on that contraction. 3, 2, open, nice and slow, beautiful. So once you got this, that's great, but we're gonna pick it up after this one. Jenny and I, we're gonna double it up. We're gonna go double and double. Good, get that exhale. Everything we do today, big inhales, big exhales, good. You got it, nice work. Go 5, open and close. Good, last 3, last 2, last 1. Yes, shake it out, you guys, great job. We're gonna take it to the mat. So go ahead, have a seat, either on the floor if you wanna put a mat down, anything is fine, lay down. We're gonna go ahead, we're gonna have our hands on our backs. We're gonna go 2 crunches. We're gonna take it up, down, and a hold for 1, 2, beautiful. Repeat, 2 crunches, up and down, chin up off your chest, and then hold, beautiful. So the goal here, you wanna get your shoulder blades off that mat and a light grip behind your head. Perfect. Up, down, exhale. Good. Hold, drop. You got it.
I'm already shaking over here. I know that hold gets you.
You guys, we are already crushing it and we're just getting started. Perfect. Good. 2 more. 1, 2, hold. Last time, you got this. Keep going. 1, 2, hold, hug your knees and breathe. So the next move, go ahead, tabletop your legs, hands behind your head, keep your legs still. We're going opposite knee, opposite elbow. Open in between, exhale, cross it up and over. Nice. So I'm not giving a whole lot of breaks in this. So at home, just if you need a break, that's fine. Shake it out. And then when you're ready, join us back in. Good. Nice. The best thing about this workout, people are always asking me about their abs. And I love this because you don't need anything to do it.
It's only 10 minutes.
10 minutes.
You got 10 minutes.
Everyone's got some time for 10 minutes of abs. Jenny, how you doing back there?
I'm burning.
Good, keep working. 5, 4, 3, 2, hug your knees and breathe. Beautiful. feet come on the mat, we're gonna go one basic crunch, one knee tap. So I want you to come up, down, then tap the knees. Back down, beautiful. Crunch, down, knee tap. Give me that exhale every time you come up. Perfect. Up, down, tap. You got it. Beautiful. Up, down. Oh, I'm burning.
Right? Yep. Same.
It's working. Good. Light grip behind the head. Up, down. Touch the knees. Good. Let's go. 5, 4, chin up. Last 3. Keep breathing. You got this. 2. We got one more. Last one. Up, down, tap, and hug your knees. Yes. So for this one, if you need the modification, you're gonna sit on your hands. Advanced, you can keep those arms back. Legs come up. We're gonna beat them down. Ready? We go 4, 3, 2, 1, and up, 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 and down. Yeah, you're gonna feel those lower abdominals. Oh, yes.
Oh, yes.
And use them, and squeeze them, and up. Perfect. Beat it down. Yep, so if you're feeling this in your lower back, go ahead, sit on your hands, and then you can bend those knees more. That will help with that, okay? Beat, 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 beat. Cross those thighs together. Oh, yes, yes. Oh, burn, baby, burn. Oh, don't worry, we're feeling it too. Here we go. 5, keep going. 4, 3, that's right. Last 2, and last 1. Hug your knees and breathe.
Oh my goodness.
You're welcome. You're welcome. Feet on the mat. We're gonna take it all the way up now. Full sit up, twist, bring it center, and drop. So if you can't sit all the way up, no problem. Go to where you can. Give me that little rotation. And this is like your little recovery, right? Not too bad. Up, twist. Yes. All the way up, twist it. I always give you that little break when you need it, so you can trust me. All the way back down, good. Up, twist. My favorite move is coming up next, which I don't know if that's a good thing or bad thing for you. Usually when it's my favorite, people go, oh, you know, that one is the one that really gets you, but it's so good. Keep going. Good. Let's go 3 more. Here we go. 3, control it on the way down. 2, control it on the way down. Last 1. Beautiful. Hug those knees and breathe. We are gonna go 5 right, 5 left. So feet on the ground. You're gonna go 5 one direction and another direction in a circle crunch. Shoulder blades come up, circle for 5. Remember, chin up off your chest. 4, 3. Last 2. 1. Really get that circle. Reverse. Up and around. 5. 4. Good. 3. Breathe. 2. You got it. 1 more. Reverse. Keep going. So go your own tempo. 5 right, 5 left. Whichever way you're going, keep going. And then you switch directions. Keep it working. 5, 4, 3, 2. Last 1. Switch. 5. Keep going.
I'm dying.
4. I need 3. I need 2. 1. Hug your knees and breathe. Ready for your final move?
Yes.
Yes, you are. Slow bicycles. Ready? Go. Stick it. Hold. Switch. 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 We're gonna pick it up in 3, 2. If you can't pick it up, keep going slow. Go. Pick it up. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. We're going back to slow in 3, 2, 1. Hold. Switch. Stick it. Control. Switch. Switch. In 3, in 2, we pick it up. Go. Quick, 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 quick. We're going back to slow in 3, 2, go. Hold. 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 You're done with this workout in less than 10 seconds. Pick it up. Go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2 for 5, 5, 4, 4, 3, 3, go 2, 2, 1, 1. Hug your knees and breathe.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, wrap your arms around, give yourself a little hug.
Oh.
We crushed it. Slowly roll it up. You guys, your abs should be burning right now. You just crushed that. Let's stretch them out real quick. Go ahead, lay onto your stomach. All the way down and up. Oh, feel that stretch in those abs. Take it up. Oh, that feels good.
Yeah.
10 minutes, sweating, ab burn, anywhere, amazing. Sit back into your heels. Oh, that feels good. Good, go ahead, curl your toes, take it to standing, walk yourself all the way up, shake it out. Give yourself a big inhale all the way up, reach your arms up and over to the side. So proud of you guys, you crushed that. Up and over, other side.
That was a fun one.
Good job. And last time, big inhale all the way up and big exhale out. We are done. We will see you guys next time. You crushed it.
Nice.